Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add bookmark in Google Chrome. So all you want to do is just be in a Google Chrome, and then here you get the bookmark. You always need to go to the new tab, because if you go to YouTube, the bookmark will go away. So I'm here, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click and add a page. I can add a site. Let's say that I want to add a name, YouTube, and URL will be youtube.com, and you can add it to bookmarks bar or new folder, it's up to you. And also how you can delete it, just right click on it and delete it. Also what you can do is right click on a bookmark, and then you have a Bookmark Manager. And you can see everything here. Like if you have many bookmarks, it's also good if you have pages here, like the folders that you can use for different kind of bookmarks. And now when I'm going to click here on YouTube, I can copy URL, delete it, open a new tab, etc. So it's really easy, and it's really intuitive is the right word for it. So that's kind of it. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching, and goodbye.